Hello guys, welcome back to the Web Eagle channel. So in today's video I want to talk about this amazing product, which is car vacuum cleaner wireless portable. So as you can see here, the price is amazing. Only this product sold for only $5 per $0.27 with a huge discount, almost 86% off. The product made already 5,000 sale, 719 reviews. So let's play the video and see this amazing product. So that's it guys. If you want to buy this product, just click on this button and buy the product. You have a free shipping here, and this deal will end at November 8th. So you can see all these pictures of this product in here. Also you can have a look at these reviews. We have here 4.5 stars. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't hate to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you soon. Thank you for watching.